If you've ever wondered what it really takes to get rich, you're about to hear some straight talk that most people won't tell you. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just real practical advice on building wealth that can change your life forever. Stick around if you want to learn how to turn your dreams of financial freedom into reality. Hey there! If you've clicked on this video, chances are you want to get rich, or at least you want to know how to build real wealth that lasts. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share some honest, no-nonsense advice for anyone who's serious about becoming financially successful. Forget about get-rich-quick schemes and flashy promises. What I'm talking about here is real wealth building that requires hard work, patience, and a strategic approach. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to dive into this. Point 1. Shift your mindset. The first step to getting rich is all about your mindset. You have to believe that it's possible for you. A lot of people think, oh, only certain people get rich, or I'm just not lucky enough. But that's simply not true. Getting rich isn't about luck, it's about making the right decisions over time. Think about it. Successful people aren't smarter or luckier, they just see opportunities where others don't, and they take action on them. So start by believing that you can achieve financial success and be open to new opportunities. Point 2. Invest in yourself. If you want to get rich, the first thing you need to do is invest in yourself. Now, this might sound cliche, but hear me out. The most important asset you have is your brain. The more you learn and the more skills you develop, the more valuable you become. This doesn't mean you need to get a formal education or go into huge debt to learn new things. Start reading books, listening to podcasts, and learning from successful people. Learn about finance, marketing, business, and investing. The more knowledge you gain, the better equipped you are to make smart decisions. Point 3. Focus on income generation, not just saving. A lot of people are focused on saving every penny. But if you want to get rich, you need to focus on creating multiple streams of income. Look for opportunities to increase your earning potential, whether that's asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, or investing in things like stocks, real estate, or your own business. Remember, it's not about how much you save, it's about how much you earn and how wisely you invest it. The more money you have working for you, the faster you can build wealth. Point 4. Be strategic with your investments. Don't just put your money in a savings account and expect it to grow over time. If you want to get rich, you have to put your money to work. That means investing it in things that will grow, like stocks, real estate, or even your own business. And no, you don't have to be an expert investor to start. Just do your research. 5. Be patient and consistent. This is where most people go wrong. They expect to get rich overnight, and when they don't, they give up. But building wealth is a long game. It takes time, discipline, and consistent action. Set long-term goals and stay committed to them. The key is to stay focused and keep moving forward, even when it seems like nothing's happening. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Point 6. Network with like-minded people. Lastly, surround yourself with people who are on the same path as you. If you're constantly hanging out with people who aren't financially minded or who aren't thinking big, you'll find it harder to level up. But when you surround yourself with people who think about money and wealth in the same way you do, you'll start to see opportunities you never noticed before. So attend events, join groups, find mentors, do whatever it takes to be in the right circles. You become the average of the people you spend the most time with, so make sure those people are helping you grow. So, to sum it up, getting rich isn't easy, and it's not quick. But with the right mindset, a focus on learning, smart investments, patience, and a strong network, you can definitely build the wealth you're aiming for. If you start applying these principles today, I promise that years from now, you'll look back and realize just how far you've come. Keep at it, stay focused, and don't let anyone tell you it's not possible. Now, go out and make your dreams happen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth.